Apo. Sign of the cross. Tapos, ito na yung
You expired
you
Jesus.
expired Jesus. Tapos,
tatlong
blood and water.
Which gospel from the heart of Jesus. And
Tatlong
then,
beses. Tapos,
our
Father,
and
that-
then
ano,
give us this day our daily bread.
And
And
that's
then,
it.
Hail Mary.
Hail Mary.
Ito muna dyan,
sa
ha?
Divine
Tapos,
Mercy.
I believe.
ito sa I believe na dito.
Oo, pagkatapos ng I believe, for the
Ito.
sake,
Eternal Father.
Eternal Father.
Dito sa
I
malaki.
pray. Oo, dyan na sa malaki.
Tapos,
And then,
itong malalaking,
maliliit na.
itong maliliit na ano,
For the sake
For the
of
sake.
His sorrowful passion, have
tapos,
mercy on us.
tapos Eternal Father, for the sake, tapos Eternal Father, for the sake, Eternal Father, for the sake, Eternal Father, for the sake, Eternal Father. Tapos, ito na yung
Holy God,
Holy God.
Holy Mighty One,
Ito, Holy God,
Holy
Mighty One.
Holy Immortal One, have
Tapos,
mercy on us and on the whole world. Amen. Tapos
Tapos,
ito na,
closing
i-recite mo rin
prayer.
ito, closing prayer.
Ay, gets ko na
And
po.
then, after mo yan, basahin mo
Yung healing prayer.
kung sino yung tao na isama mo dun sa healing. O kaya sa personal mo.
Thank you,
O
thank
kaya sa
you.
dalawa mong anak.